陈伯伯有老人痴呆症。有一天起床，他忘了自己有老人痴呆症，然后他就记起了所有东西。When you say this joke, make sure you say it as if it's a scientific fact. For many Chinese learners, learning the tones is rather difficult, right? So here's a trick. When you see two third tone together, you should make the former one into a second tone to make the whole sentence sound lighter, not too deep. For example, if you say 陈伯伯有老人痴呆症, that's too deep. That doesn't sound good. If you make it the second tone, 陈伯伯有老人痴呆症, that sounds better, right? The same goes to the former joke. Here, 如果 a second and a third, not too bad, but here, 我死了. If you say two third tone, it will go like 我死了. That's too deep. That doesn't sound good. So you make the former one into a second tone. 如果我死了. That sounds better, right? Thank you.